Alright, today is Trigger Pull Thursday, and we're going to be taking a look at this little Glock 43X, made in USA, and it is a 9mm. Those are just Ranger bands, and a little assist on the slide here. So I have loaded this magazine, and it is currently empty. Nothing in the chamber. I have it loaded with some 9mm snap caps. Let's do a trigger pull with the Lyman electronic gauge. Okay, first trigger pull. Well, that was a little bit low. Try it again. Let's make this the first trigger pull. 4 pounds, 8.7 ounces. It's about normal for a factory Glock trigger. Let's try another one. £4, 4.5 ounces. That's about right. So we can get one more. £5, 0.4 for an average of 4 pounds, 9.8, which is pretty typical for the Glock factory trigger. But it was made in USA, and it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckleball.